In this video, I will show you how to see true red marker on an iPhone. It's actually very interesting, and I'll show you different scenarios, different options that you have for different markers. But if you appreciate my effort, give me a like and hit the subscribe button if you're new to the channel. So first you want to go on the image that you have been sent, and you want to click on the edit button, and you need to play around with settings. You can play around with different filters and so on, but pretty much it all depends on the marker and how much is covered. Right here I have not covered everything fully, but I'll show you different examples with different markers. So if I go here and for example use this marker like so, and use red like so, and I do this, this is one type of marker, right? We'll try to erase it with this. If I use this marker with red, it's a little bit different, right? Then if I use this marker, let's see, again, red-ish here, that's another thing. So how can we see through that, right? If someone covers it up a lot. Well, again, it really depends on the marker. So when you click on edit, you want to click on adjust, and you need to play with the settings. You want to go and add in a lot more exposure, and as you can see, it starts to shine a little bit better right here. You can go ahead and play with the brilliance. Highlights, here it is. This helps a lot. Shadows, if you go up and remove the shadows, contrast, less shadow, less contrast, you can play around like this, and this really helps out, by the way. Contrast, brightness can sometimes obviously help. Black point, I haven't tried it, it doesn't help. So you need to play around with these options. Saturation definitely helps, vibrancy and so on. So you need to use these options to actually do that. Another option is just using Photoshop with its AI tool, but all of this seems like a good option. Let me know if you still are having any troubles in the comment section down below. Like the video if I did help you out, and subscribe if you're new. See you next one.